everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I wanted to sit down and do more of a casual video since I wanted to get this up really quickly. I'm just going to be opening up my Mecca Beauty Lip box that I picked up today. I'm a level 3 and I've been level 3 for a while, and I thought I'd come home straight from work when I picked this up and share what I get inside the box. So I didn't get anything else today, I've just got the box in here. Here it is. This one is, like I said, level 3. There's also of course level 1 and 2 at Mecca, and every quarter they bring out these boxes full of samples. I don't know what's inside this yet since I haven't peeked. I did watch the YouTube video that Mecca put out showing some things that could potentially be in there, and I know they showed 2 items, but I don't know if I'll get them. Sometimes there are different items that people can get, so I'm very excited. Of course, on top there is a little card, and I'm not going to be looking at that since I'm just going to dig through and see what I have, and then I'll come back to this later. Alright, so looking in here, it seems that there are... oh my god, let's try that again. I've got a few things in here and they look like pretty reasonable sizes. I might start with this one since it's jumping out of the box at me. So I think this is one of the items that they shared in the sneak peek. It is the More Pacific Time Response Skin Reserve Cream, and I will admit I've not heard of this brand before. I don't know if they're new or if I just haven't heard about them, but it seems to be just some sort of moisturizer. The packaging is very nice. It's just a gold pot here. I'm just going to verify exactly what this is. I think it's a basic moisturizer, but maybe I'm wrong. Yep, it just says it's a luxurious balm, cream texture infused with green tea water, blah 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 blah. Use it generously on targeted areas to reduce appearance of frown lines and smile lines. So maybe more of a wrinkle cream, which I guess time response, that kind of makes sense. So that looks really interesting. I'm just going to check the texture really quick. It seems really firm. Don't even know what I can liken that to, but really thick and very moisturizing. I know it's a wrinkle cream, but I'm putting some on the backs of the hands because they're a little bit dry at the moment as the weather starts to cool down. Anyway, I'm going to pop this back together. Even though I haven't heard of this yet, I suppose it will be nice to have this to try out for wrinkle cream, and I like the fact that it's in a small tub as well, because when I use that up I can reuse this to put other items in for travel. Besides that, I'm going to grab the next largest item. So it's just a box here. This is the by Redose Dazed Perfume. I think I saw in the sneak peek there might have been other perfumes that were up for grabs this time. But I'm just going to have a look. This one's just a tiny little spritzer, and from my experience these still contain quite a few uses, and again great for travel. That has a really familiar scent. It doesn't really describe it too much on the packaging from what I can tell, but I'm guessing it's probably in the little leaflet that came in the box, so I'll refer to that at the end. Now I've also got a little vial here. This one is by Nars. It is the Nars Gentle Oil Free Eye Makeup Remover, and I don't normally use liquid eye makeup removers like this. I generally use oil cleansers, but this should again come in handy. Very quickly, I do like the fact that I don't seem to have any packets or sachets, since they just seem a bit harder to use. Everything is more substantial sizes in this box for me. But this product, even though, like I said, I don't use this sort of thing normally, I guess it's good because I don't have anything like it. So if I do use heavy duty eye makeup, at least this will come in handy. And last of all, I have this teeny tiny tub. It is a Mer Moisturizing Cream. So it is really teeny tiny. It looks as if it was a regular jar put inside a shrink ray, I guess. I've never used anything by this brand, but I've of course heard of them, and I've heard very good things. I'm just checking this out as well. This one feels a lot softer and feels very moisturizing, whereas the other one almost had a bit more of a gel kind of bouncy texture. It's hard to describe, but that feels really nice. I'm not going to waste it all on my hands though. So this one doesn't really say much on the packaging because I guess it's teeny tiny, but now I'm going to refer back to my leaflet. So in this card here, it should explain a bit about the products. So first of all, I have found product number 1, the by Redose Dazed Perfume. It says this fresh modern scent blends notes of mandarin, musk and neroli and captures the notion of an endless summer. I guess that makes sense now. It was really fruity and quite summery to smell. The Mer Moisturizer is second in this card, and it says formulated from the iconic Miracle Broth, this face cream replenishes skin's moisture levels and diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and pores. So kind of like the other moisturizer, maybe a bit more of a wrinkle cream. And then the third one on the list is the Nars Gentle Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. So it says for this one, it will remove waterproof products and just to shake it before using. So it might be one of those blends of oil and other chemicals, not water surely, but it has that same sort of effect, like mixing oil and water. You can see the different layers there. And then the last one on the list is of course the More Pacific Time Response Skin Reserve Cream. So it has the same description as what was on the packaging, and it just suggests to apply a small amount to face and neck. So again, more wrinkle prevention and heavy moisturizing. Looking at everything that I have here, it is all stuff that I'm definitely keen to try, and I'm sure I'll use almost everything here pretty quickly. I guess it's extra appealing because they're not little packets, so these are a lot more likely for me to grab and want to try. But with that being said, I am a little bit surprised I didn't get any makeup at this time in the box. Normally they have one makeup item, so maybe they subbed that out for me by giving me the perfume instead. I'm not sure what the makeup options were for other level 3s, but if you got a level 3 and got makeup in there, I'd really love to know what you got. So apart from that little disappointing point this time, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Even though it is skincare, I'm just a bit surprised that it's missing makeup for me. And I feel like out of anything, I'm probably the most excited to use this perfume since it smells nice, and I always like to try new perfumes. Since I'm going on a summer holiday soon, I'm sure this will come in handy. Anyway, that is all I have to share for this unboxing today. I really hope it was interesting, whether you're another level 3 and curious on what other level 3s got. If you're a different level, or even if you don't collect the boxes and you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you did get a different box with different items, let me know in the comments down below what you got, because I'd love to hear from you. But now I will be leaving it here, so I just wanted to thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!